Hello gems, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe, and if you're already part of the tribe, welcome back. We are talking about the legendary Kimberly Noel Kardashian West. Well, my voice is a bit low today because I just learned about the passing of Virgil Abloh, a really good friend to Kim Kardashian West and Kanye West, and he was the CEO of Off-White and creative director of Louis Vuitton Men. Anyway, Kim Kardashian West, billionaire, mom, sister, daughter, influencer, model, lawyer, entrepreneur. She has shaped and influenced pop culture year in, year out. A role model to many women, myself included. Kim Kardashian West is a brand. So let's talk about the Kim Kardashian West empire. And I'm going to share with you 5 things that I think are crucial in building our empire and can help you in building your own empire. And me as well. The first thing is having a support system. The Kardashian Jenners are a united family. Even with its mixed family, it's still united. They have grown together and have utilized the power of team playing. They collab together, do business ventures together, support each other, among many other things. No one is left behind. If the people around you, your family included, isn't giving you such a support system, dump them. Cut them off and be your own support system and see yourself achieve great things. Also, Kim has kept a close knit of friends from years back, and she only surrounds herself with loyal friends. You don't need to have a Taylor Swift squad. You just need to have 2 or 3 of those close friends who are ride or die, who can be with you. And don't be afraid to walk alone, if that's the thing, because you will attract the right crowd rather than staying in the wrong crowd. The next thing is networking. This has to be by far the most crucial point when it comes to Kimberly Kardashian West. Her contacts with Paris Hilton, Brandy, her dad's contacts, these are what helped break Kim into the limelight. Not only her contacts, but her use of those contacts. It's one thing to have reach to really influential people, and it's another thing to use them. Do you just go out, get people's phone numbers, make a rapport, and once you exchange the numbers, it ends with that? Or do you actually follow up and say, it was a good day, I enjoyed hanging out with you, we should do this next time, and reach out to them maybe once in a while after getting to meet the person? So it's not only networking, but utilizing that network. And this is a good time to say that feminine women do not name drop. It shows a lack of class, and it shows that you're trying too hard. The next thing is utilize your resources. Twitter was launched and Kim was already on it, tweeting left, right, and center. She was also the initiator of using social media to sell products and create a fan-base focus group. When she started with her KKW fragrance, she really utilized that. She also embraced her curvy body in a time where being size 0 was a thing and made curvy a trend. She utilized that. You see, her body, she did not try to fit in. Rather, she saw what she had and she utilized it. So what do you have at your disposal that you keep ignoring for too little or are not taking full advantage of? Use whatever you have and build on it. This is your time to take your journal and have a clarity moment a quiet time and just look at what you have at your disposal and use it and take full advantage of it. Fourth point, all publicity is good publicity. And if you have watched the famous movie Wolf of Wall Street, you'd know what I'm saying. You should watch it. So Kim Kardashian West is a queen at using everything about her own media to her advantage. She makes money out of both bad and good publicity. When she was accused of doing a blackface for her KKW beauty campaign, instead of going panic mode, she just told the editor to redo the editing and post the picture again. She is still making money out of her leaked sex tape. I mean, Anyway, knowing how to take advantage of what the public assumes about you is a flex and should be used to your advantage and gain. It is really good. Try reading the room and try to see what people think about you and use it to your advantage. But also take note, you are not what people think about you. You are who you are and who you want to be. And you have the power in your hands to manipulate it. The last point is appearance. Kim Kardashian is known for her beauty and her amazing sense of style as well, especially since she married Kanye West. Kim uses her beauty to sell. She does. She doesn't sell shapewear, she sells beauty body standards. She understands how influential her appearance is. She did a season 6 Yeezy, I'm not sure if it's 6 or 7, Yeezy campaign in Tokyo and nailed it. She made biker shorts and sweats cool to wear. So before you leave your house, know you are a brand and your appearance is key and crucial to your opportunities. That is all, ladies. Oh, and of course, Kim Kardashian West is built on hard work. Do not forget that, ladies. So like, comment and subscribe and tell me who else you'd love me to do a video on.